Hey, what's going on everyone? My name is Dan, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to build a successful and profitable business selling on Amazon FBA from scratch for complete beginners. Now, if you just found out about Amazon FBA, maybe you've seen people talking about it online, how much money they're making, maybe you've been interested in starting something like this for a while, starting an online business, then this video is for you. First off, I want to start off this video by saying that there has never been a better time to start a successful Amazon FBA business ever than now. Even though a lot of people talk about how competitive Amazon is or how oversaturated it is, or maybe you've seen videos about people losing money on Amazon, in fact, there's never been a better time to start than today. And all you have to do to see this is just to look at the statistics. First of all, if we look at the defining company of our generation, it's definitely Amazon. Amazon is like a tidal force on our entire economy, and it has changed the lives of millions of people, especially with the world situation going on that has, that started in 2020 and continues as I make this video today.